to my channel. I am Being Ambitious, and in today's video we are going to be doing a quick get ready with me. As you guys can see, I am in a hotel room. I don't really know how I'm going to edit this footage, but I think it's going to be a separate video by itself. But just to give you a little backstory, I'm in DC vacationing for the weekend. This is literally one of my favorite cities to come to, and I'm already having so much fun. Today is actually day 2. Last night I did dinner with 2 friends, and tonight I am going out to do like a happy hour, and then we're gonna see where the night leads. So today it's around like 4. The place is only like 10 minutes away from here, so you know the humidity here is absolutely insane. So I'm not doing a lot of makeup, okay? That's not gonna be it. This is gonna be a quick little get ready with me. So let's go ahead and get started.
Cavalier.
Diamonds on my neck, got diamonds on my ring. Since 16, I was coming down right. How you gonna make this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, you ain't got so loud, Greg. What about my body? What about my body? I'm in the house all alone, you rather go and party. What about my body? You don't want my body. Acting like I'm nobody, you kill me because of that.
went and styled my twist and a little updo. Really cute. Yesterday I had on a wig. Girl, not today. Too hot. It was synthetic wig, baby. It was eating up the back of my neck. Too hot. I think I'm gonna just put on some hoops. Can't go wrong with that. And I love these sizes. They're not too big, not too large. They're just a little cute little something. And I'm gonna put in my nose ring. My false nose ring. And I'm gonna place this ring on my finger. And I'm gonna wear this bracelet. This is more of a nighttime bracelet, but we're gonna go without the nose ring. We're gonna go without that. Okay, and next I'm going to put on some perfume. This is the YSL Mon Paris. I think that's how you pronounce it. And I got it in the travel size to bring with me. Oh, I love the way this stuff smells. I need to save some for my clothes. Oh, I love the way this stuff smells. Okay, got on my hair, makeup, jewelry. Let's go put some clothes on so we can get out of here. Okay.
I'm the hood Mona Lisa, break a nigga into pieces. Had to X and cheesy niggas out my circle like a pizza. I'm way too exclusive. I don't shop on Insta boutiques. All the little ass clothes only fit fake booties. Bad bitch, still talking cash shit. Pussy like water, I'm a mother and relaxing. I would never trip on a nigga if I had him. Bitch, that's my trash, you the maid, so you bag him. I'm a savage.
Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I absolutely love this dress. I got it from Pretty Little Thing. I got this purse from Shein. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's really quick. I don't think the lighting in here is the best, but girl, work with me. Work with me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.